Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So as we are already posting all the Agentblazer Legend series in our channel under the playlist called Agentblazer Legend, do check all of that videos. And today let's take about Superbadge, which is advanced flow for Agentforce. So for this we have to complete our developer edition org. So once if we have signed up, you will get a mail and we need to connect the org. So as I already completed that, I'm just skipping that step. And if you have any query how to do this, the video is already available in our channel, do check that. And now let's go to our home, and here I'm just gonna search for Einstein setup. And once if you find the result, just click on it. Let's toggle this on. And now let's go to our quick find and search for agent. Before that, let's give our refresh once. And now let's search for agent and go to Agentforce agents. Let's toggle this as well on, and then if we come down, let's toggle the enable the Agentforce default agent as well. So once if it is done, click on new agent and you will get to see this Agentforce service agent. Click on it and click on next, and make sure all the topics over here are added. So once if it is done, click on next. If we come back to our challenge, we will get the name. So I'm just gonna copy this and paste it over here. And API name will be auto populated. Let's copy our description and give it over here. Let's copy our role and paste it. Let's copy company and paste it over here. So once if it is done, for agent user, make sure to have new agent user, which is already there by default. And now click on next and then followed by create. So once if it is done, let's go back and in quick find search for organization and choose organization wide address, and now click on add. So here fill out display name, email address, which should be your active mail address, and just give your name and now click on save. So I have created one dummy mail ID. Let's go to that mail and check. You will be receiving some link like this. Just click on the link followed by continue. And now let's come back and here search for permission set. Click on permission sets, and here let's go to letter E. Find this ESSO permission, just click on it. Make sure you're not deleting that. And now just scroll down, go to this system permission, click on edit and just enable this send email followed by save. Click on save. And now let's go to this permission set overview and click on app permissions followed by edit. Now enable these three permissions and then click on save. Click on save again. And now again in quick find, let's search for user. Click on users. You will find Einstein service agent user. Click on edit and change this email to your active mail and then click on save. Click on OK. So this is all about our first challenge. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So while we are checking this challenge, one more thing to be added, guys. You will get a mail something like this. Make sure to click on the link so that it will ask for continue. Just give on continue. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our first challenge. If you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more Superbadges solution. And these remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist called Agentblazer Legend. I will provide the playlist link in description. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.